Hello everybody, I am Sudan Kumar, Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Department, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Now I am going to explain what are the grades on cement. Then what is meant by grading? According to the strength, characteristic compressive strength on cement, it will be graded. First we have to prepare the cement mortar in the ratio of 1:3 and that will be molded. The size of mold is 7 cm into 7 cm into 7 cm. After demolding, there will be cured in 14 days. After the curing, we have to check the compressive strength on the mortar cube. According to the strength, it will be graded. We are having 3 grades of cement in Indian market. So first one is 33 grade cement, and second one is 43 grade cement, and third one is 53 grade cement. First one is 33 grade cement. The strength of cement mortar is not more than 33 Newton per mm square, that is called as 33 grade cement. This kind of cement having low strength. That's why this is using for unimportant construction works and temporary construction works. Unimportant means mainly it is using for ground leveling and temporary shed constructions. And second one is 43 grade cement. So normally in Indian construction we are using this kind of 43 grade cement. The strength of cement is not more than 43 Newton per mm square, that is called as 43 grade cement. In normal constructions, in normal building constructions, in normal road constructions, we are using this kind of 43 grade cement. And third one is 53 grade cement. The strength of cement mortar is not more than 53 Newton per mm square, that is called as 53 grade cement. It is high strength cement and the cost is also very high. So it is mainly using for special constructions or heavy constructions. What is meant by heavy constructions? Like dam, like bridges, in highway roads, airports, harbors. This kind of heavy construction works, we are using this kind of 53 grade cement because of the higher strength. Thank you.